Hello student, this is the EVS class for standard 4th. Today we will going to start a new chapter, chapter 17, reproduction in animals. In this module, the students will be able to learn what is reproduction, ways of reproduction, structure of an egg, and development of a chick into a hen. Let us understand what is reproduction. Reproduction in animals. Living beings have the ability to reproduce or giving birth more of their own kind. This is known as reproduction. For example, lion gives birth to cubs. Dog gives birth to puppies. Birds give birth to chicks. And humans give birth to babies. Now animals reproduce in two ways. First is by laying eggs and second is by giving birth to babies. Some animal babies look similar to their parents when they are born. For example, cats, dogs, cow and human babies. Some animals babies look very different from their parents when they are born. They start resembling their parents as they grow, for example, butterflies and frogs. Let us see first egg-laying animals. Insects, amphibians, fish, birds, reptiles are known as egg-laying animals. These animals reproduce by laying eggs. Egg-laying animals are also called oviparous animals. Animals such as birds like hen lay eggs to reproduce. After laying of eggs, the eggs have to be kept in the warm place to provide adequate condition for hatching of the eggs. It is generally the parent animal which sits on them to keep them warm. The process of keeping them warm is called incubation. Here you can see a video showing the process of incubation. Once the egg matures, the young ones hatches out. Children, if you carefully notice, an egg has a thin protective shell called the eggshell. Within the eggshell, there is a white jelly-like substance called albumin, which is rich in proteins. The yellow inner part of the egg is the yolk, and it is rich in fats, vitamins, and minerals. The yolk contains food for the growing baby or the embryo. It is this embryo that develops into a chick. To summarize the entire process of reproduction in egg-laying animals, you can see this chart. It is important to know that all birds also reproduce by laying eggs. Most birds build nests on the trees to lay their eggs and raise their young ones. Apart from birds, animals like frogs, fishes, turtles, lizards, crocodiles, snakes, butterflies, bees, etc. reproduce by laying eggs. Now your homework is draw the internal structure of a bird's egg.